celebrating Christmas. As usual, it has become a tradition for us to celebrate Christmas. It doesn't matter whatever buying, giving, and exchanging gifts. Sharing food, a lot of food today. Get together, fellowshipping, swallowshipping with families and friends, and making our children so special like today. See, sometimes you made this Christmas giving gifts especially to our children. It's our way of welcoming the birthday of our...
You sure you don't have your own number? Go Nara. Is everyone excited? I can hear you. Stand and take a picture with your exchange.
What's your number?
Come, stand in the middle. Come and take your picture with your exchange.
Wala. Nakulit. Number 9.
Have some, better control.
Okay, Garia also kasi.
Hit the paper.
What's your number? What's your number, Kuya?
16. 6. At the circle and take a picture.
Punta ka doon.
Sabihin, what number do you have? Saya! Adrian, what's your number? What's your number?
Take a nice picture.
Number 3. Number 10. Who's number 10?
We're together naman.
How about what's your number? 13. Who's the holding?
Maybe na.
What's your number? 5. Who's number 5? Rocky. Rocky.
Yan, picture muna kayo dyan.
Rocky, what's your number? What is your number? 2. Number 2. Liwanag, give your peso. Okay. Lahat na ba? Open your gifts.
Or kahit group picture muna kayo. Group picture. Para masaya. Yung group picture nyo.
Open your gifts.
Wait lang, bibigay. Ah, ibibigay
Okay, stand up.
mo na.
Get all your mess. Show your present. 2, 3. Okay, show your presents. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Okay, happy?
Happy, happy. One by one, French kiss.
Sino nga nakasalo? Hindi na yan. O sino na makasalo dapat? Ay, Ali, mahalitin mo nga yan kasi. Okay. Ready? Totoo na to ha. Huwag kayong huwag kayong magpipris lang kayo kasi titignan namin isa-isa. Kailangan makita namin. Okay. May judges. Nasaan yung judges natin? Nasaan si Ninong Baldo? Ito na. Okay, ayan. Magbibigyan 1,000
sponsor mo eh.
Okay, may nanalo na out. O, yung pag-
May lawan.
O, yung mga naghuhulog, ha? Uy, hindi, wala akong tiwala dito, eh.
Wala na. Wala na.
Ano masasabi mo? Ang baho, dami ka dito.
Tagalan niyo pa, tagalan niyo.
Uy, ano na?
Tagalan kaya, sana kilikili namin. Nangangawit na.
Aba naman.
Wow. Sample ah, sample.
Okay, okay, ready? 1, 2, go! Okay. Basta kahit na hindi natapat, basta hindi siya lumaglag, panalo na. Okay. 1, 2, go!
Madaya ko magulong.
Wala, out, out, out!
Magaling ko sa akin, magaling. Tagahanin mo na yung dalawa. Tagahanin mo na.
Okay, may panalo na tayo. Slowly, slowly. Oh my God. Yay! Kuya Ian is out. Sorry.
Sayawan mo na. Dance in a circle muna kayo, di ba?
Magigitnan ako ng dalawang Emma. At magigitnan ako ng dalawang Emma.
5, 3 points. Number 10. Number 7 naman tayo. 15, 1, 5, 3 points. Le Cruce ata yan ah. Next. Tapos na ba?
Tapos na, tapos na.
Sino pa ba?
Open,
Okay.
open.
Open and explain your gift. Explain tapos konting speech. Tapos memory verse.
Nice, Mickey.
Thank you, Miguel. Happy, happy lahat ah. Picture, picture.
Ano?
Don't forget to take picture ah.
Buti na na. Sige nga, sige nga. Ano yun? Ano nakuha? Buksan, ano nakuha? Ano yan?
Sayawan na ata.
Ayawan na. Nagamit ka ba ng gano'n? Ano nakuha mo?
Okay, picture muna tayo. Picture.
Ay, ano yan? Hindi naman ako nagtatanan.
Naano ko lang yan, nabili ng sale kaya mura.
Wow, ito pa naman ang gusto.
Sige, picture tayo sa may Christmas tree. Ready na kayo? Picture muna.
Naka 50% off yan, kaya ano. Kaya
Hindi mabuksan yung pinagpag ko ng cellophane na ganyan
picture
pala.
tayo para masaya.
Okay. Basta kahit na hindi na tapat, basta hindi siya lumaglag, panalo na. Okay. 1, 2, go!
Madaya ito magulong.
Wala, out, out, out!
May galit to sa akin, may galit. Kakanin mo na yung dalawa! Kakanin mo na!
Maaga